398 people performed the tune of the song Pursuing. The performance lasted 6 minutes and 5 seconds. In 2010, people formed the longest human domino line in Ordos City, mainland China. This line was almost twice as long as the Hollywood Walk of Fame and consisted of, get this, 10,267 people. It took 69 minutes and 43 seconds to complete the unusual domino line. Trevor Hunt became a Guinness record holder in 2014 after he'd carved 109 pumpkins in just 1 hour. Trick or treat! Kobe Cotton from the U.S. blew a pea for the distance as long as a London bus. This amazing event took place in February 2018. The most balloons a person managed to inflate in an hour is 910. This impressive feat was performed by Hunter Ewan from the U.S. in September 2015. Silvio Saba from Italy set a curious and likely rather painful world record in 2012. He clipped 51 clothes pegs to his face, which took him just 1 minute. By the way, Silvio Saba is probably the most famous serial record breaker, with more than 200 Guinness World Records under his belt. Among his achievements, there are quite bizarre ones. The most eggs held in one hand, palm down, 8. The highest standing jump on one leg. It was almost 2 footsteps up. The biggest number of squats done in 1 minute on a balance board while carrying a heavy pack, 22. Sylvana Chamoun from Waterloo, Canada, became a famous record holder in 2016 after she kicked 59 items off people's heads in 1 minute. Mithlesh Chowdhury from Jaipur, India, managed to hold 27 tennis balls in just one hand in 2018. And how well can you do? In 2017, LG Electronics India set a sticky world record when its employees made the longest line of sticky notes. In one line, there were 114,741 pieces, and its length was over 5 miles, as long as 880 longest snakes on the planet, pythons. In 2016, the world finally found out that the biggest number of layers a sandwich could have was 60. Pets can be record holders too. The most steps walked down by a dog is 10. Nothing unusual, you say? But Sweet Pea from Germany wasn't just walking downstairs. The pooch was also balancing a glass of water on its head. Domestic cat Merlin from the UK made it into the Guinness World Records for producing the loudest purr. In April 2015, a 13-year-old kitty made a purring sound that reached almost 68 decibels. That's louder than a working dishwasher and just a bit quieter than a vacuum cleaner. In 2018, Cody Jones from the U.S. spent just 3 minutes and 21 seconds to find and alphabetize the letters in a can of alphabet soup. Shanghai-born Yu Zhanja has the longest natural eyelashes on the planet. The most impressive one grows on her left upper lid. It reaches a mind-boggling 4.88 inches. It's longer than the Barbados thread snake, the world's smallest snake. Ashrita Furman from the USA has already set 6 world records in duct taping people to walls. The most recent one took place in 2015, when he spent a mere 26.69 seconds on taping his partner to a wall. The longest distance a person moonwalked in an hour is 3.54 miles. This event took place at a stadium in Zagreb, Croatia, where this fine fellow, whose long name I cannot pronounce, made 12 big laps and a shorter one. Maine Coon Baravel got the official title of the longest domestic cat in 2018. When this surprisingly shy and quiet kitty was measured, it turned out the animal was more than 3 feet and 11 inches long as an adult hyena.